Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are going to be doing our Birchbox unboxing. Now this box here is definitely on the chopping block. I am interested in getting a new box, which is called The Box by Fashionsta. And that box is only $20 a month. This box, and no shipping, free shipping, this box is now $13 a month or $15 a month, I believe, for new subscribers. And this box you only get sample to deluxe sizes, and the new one you get full size products for only a couple dollars more. So this box is definitely on the chopping blocks. This was supposed to be stepping up its game as of now 4 months, I think, 4 to 5 months into this, where they said that they were making Birchbox better. I haven't seen it yet. So let's see what this box has entail for it. So might be the last box I get, you guys. So let's open her up. Okay. So it knows I'm talking bad about it, but they always do this. They're always ridiculous to get open. All right. So let's see what's in here. So we open it up. The one thing I do like about Birchbox, and I did black all this out so you could see it. Every time they ship you something, they make a really cool like name for you. So that is, I am a miraculous Mandy Miller today. All right, so when you open it up, this is what it looks like inside. And then you pull out your box, and they are cute boxes. These are adorable. It normally doesn't have something on the back. I really like these boxes, and I do keep most of them. All right, so when you open it up, that is what's in there. Okay, so they went from a cardboard to a piece of paper. That's not saying much. And it is called, the theme is Old School Summertime. This month, we're throwing it back to the cafeteria, or carefree days. I thought it said cafeteria. I'm not hungry, you guys. Back to the carefree days of childhood with this summer fun fortune teller, cootie catcher anyone. Okay, so you have to fold this thing to make that little thing that you would, back in the day. I'm sure most of you guys know what I'm talking about. And they have a list of what is in your box in the back. And then this is, I was trying to do that without throwing anything, so now I have to reach, I'm sorry, over here to get that. I am so sorry, you guys. All right, so reason number 257 to love Birchbox. When you shop with us, you automatically get rewarded. Everyone earns 10% back on full-size shop purchases, and aces earn 13% back. This says just for subscribers, 100 extra points when you spend 50, of course. Okay, so getting into the box itself, where did the paper go? I lose the paper. Okay, here's the paper. Sorry, guys. Totally unorganized. First thing I'm pulling out is something that I have gotten several times from Birchbox. Okay, I lie. I've gotten this brand several times from Birchbox. Not this kind. This is Orbe Grandiose Hair Plumping Mousse. Okay, so that is something new. Orbe is very expensive, bougie products. This is, it says hair plumping mousse. Full size is $39 for this thing. It says amp up the volume with this luxe mousse that delivers crunch-free bombshell body. Work a golf ball sized doublet through damp hair and then scrunch. Orbe always smells super, super good. I'm not going to waste it because there's nothing I can show you guys, but this is the first product. Okay. So the next product I am pulling out is Air Repair Moisturizer. 0.24 fluid ounces. And this says complexion boosting moisturizer. Full size is $23. Packed with antioxidants and humectants. This rich cream moisturizes and revitalizes dry, dull, or stressed out skin. It says a Birchbox favorite. I'm not going to open this. I'm probably going to save this for a giveaway. So that is what that looks like. All right, the next product in here that I'm pulling out is something that I have, I do like. I haven't received this one. Okay, I love this product. This is Coola. This is Dawn Patrol Classic Primer with an SPF of 30, which most of their Coola products have an SPF in it. This looks like there's like nothing in it. Like, I'm serious. There's, I don't know. Can I see? Can you tell? I'm trying to look at my light and see. I mean, I don't think so. The primer meets sunscreen hybrid, preps skin for makeup application, and protects from harmful UV rays. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. And this is also a very expensive. This is $42 for a full-size product. That's probably why they only give you a little tiny drop in here. It's what it looks like anyway. It says it is 0.17 fluid ounces. So there is that. Let's see if it's even sealed. Probably not, no. I mean, literally, I mean, you can, okay. So you've seen I squeezed it all the way tight and I got a little bit that came up out of there. Let's see. Definitely not a lot of products. This is why this box is on the chopping box. Great product, but there's like nothing in there. Okay, next product, moving on. I did see this on their website. I think this was something you could choose. This is Aero Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm Blush Hour, I guess is this the color I have. And the full size of this is $15. I think this is a full size. The ultra hydrating formula magically adjusts to your lips pH to create a flattering rosy pink hue that's unique to you. So basically, biting off of Lipstick Queen. But there we go. I don't know if it's full size or not. It probably is. I mean, how much bigger can the lip balm get? Let's see if it actually does anything. Okay, it's very creamy. Very, very, not creamy. It's very oily. And that is right there. Let's see if it changes while I read the next product to you. Okay, that's not a bad product. Okay, I'm not knocking that. So there is, it looks like 2 more things in here. So this is also something that I'm not going to open up because I have received it, and I'm pretty sure I received the same thing. So this is Marcel. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. It says a Birchbox favorite. BB Cream Golden Glow. This multitasking BB cream gives your skin a golden glow while controlling shine and evening tone. Evening tone. And the full size is $29. So I will be putting that aside for a giveaway because I have enough BB creams. And then it looks like there is one more product in here. And this I love. I absolutely love these. This is Pure Lease. And it is their watermelon energizing sheet mask. $18. I don't, maybe it is $18. It says full size $18. This is a full size. Watermelon hydrates, aloe vera reduces redness, and cucumber refreshes in this soothing sheet mask. Leave it on your face for 15 to 20 minutes for a quick perk up. Definitely love Pure Lease. I definitely love their masks. Out of this box, this is what makes it for me. It still didn't really pinken up any. Okay, so let's recap because I've kept you long enough for this little box. We have our Pure Lease. We have the Cooler Primer. We have the BB Cream. We have a lip balm. We have the Orbe Mousse. And then we have this moisturizer. So what do you guys think? Is it good for this to be on the chopping block? Do you think that I'm right by getting rid of this and getting the other box? What do you guys think of Birchbox, period? Do you think they have stepped up their game any? You know, all those good things. And let me know in the comments what you guys think. Thank you so much for coming and watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment. And let me know what you guys think about what I should do, for sure. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day, guys. Bye.